Hello everyone, welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study. The question today is, how does a believer produce divine good? First of all, Christian service or deeds produced by the believer under the filling of the Holy Spirit that are therefore acceptable to the perfect standards of God have intrinsic and eternal value and receive recognition and reward in heaven. Matthew 5:16. Divine good produced by the believer inside the operational divine atmosphere only, 1 Corinthians 3:12-15, is described as treasures in heaven, non-combustible in nature, and rewardable at the judgment seat of Christ, and it is a sweet fragrance to God. Divine good is a byproduct of divine viewpoint thinking as a result of humility of the believer. Thus, he is going to be promoted by God because of that. James 4:6.